Maria and Ron.
Dear Shosho, it's sad that you have left us. Heaven has received an angel. We as your grandkids will miss playing with you fun football and golf and swimming. Thank you for always agreeing to hide our sweets from Mommy that we collected from piñatas during parties. Now Buka has to learn how to do it alone. Thank you for your time with us, for the many presents you've gifted us with. We shall dearly miss you, Shosho. Keep watching over us from heaven. Thank you.
Makofi kwake. So I'll request Tabitha. Ron, karibia hapa. I'll request Tabitha.
Good morning, church.
Good morning.
God is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
Yes.
All protocols observed. My name is Tabitha Muhinga Kibara, fondly also known as Maria. And not as strong as Kendi.
Good morning, church, clergy, family, friends, all protocols observed. My name is Sylvia Kigwe, and together with my friend Christine, we shall read Tabitha's tribute. I met Lucy, courtesy of Mom, courtesy of my friend Tabitha. And I remember her always having a radiating smile. And I'll remember her for that, and always her concern for family and children, and I'm blessed to have known her. So I shall start reading Tabitha's tribute. Dear family and friends, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support during this challenging moment. Your presence here today as we commemorate Mom's life uplifts our spirits and offers solace, reminding us that we are not navigating this grief alone. The sudden news of Mom's passing left me in a state of numbness, hoping that it was a mere bad dream from which I would soon awaken. However, as the hours unfolded, the harsh reality set in that my mom is no more. And now I find myself grappling with the acceptance of God's will, that I will go home and never see her, speak to her, call her, and hug her. Attempting to summarize Mom's entire lifetime in a few paragraphs is daunting, but I shall try to share fond memories of who Mom truly was. Mom was a multifaceted individual who served as a teacher of life's invaluable lessons, from the shared experiences common to all girls, progressing to household shopping and experimenting with diverse culinary delights beyond our staple dishes like githeri, mokimo, and domas. We often had friendly cooking competitions, which continued even after I established my own home. The last time I hosted, I made some fish, which Mom kept saying how delicious it was, not knowing that it was her very own recipe that I had slightly altered. Unknown to me, this would be the last meal together in our regular tradition of hosting family, which I will dearly miss. She was a loving mom and an amazing shosho to our children. She enjoyed hiding sweets and chocolates for our kids, creating a little secret heaven away from my watchful eyes. They would dash to her, clutching a handful of treats and saying, "Shosho, please hide this for us so that Mommy won't take them away." Consequently, I would find myself nursing sore throats a few days later. Fortunately, her distinctive remedy, a ginger concoction known as dawa, which she not only taught me how to prepare, but also insisted I administer to my family, which always proved to be a comforting and reliable solution. During our visits home, She enjoyed engaging in fun football matches and swimming sessions with the kids and dad, and when her granddaughter Kendi began playing golf, she encouraged her to always practice and excel in the sport. Oh, how she loved trees. She was a true environmentalist, planting them in every corner she could. Our homes, at the Foothill School, golf clubs, and Kipipiri, where she undertook the noble task even during the rainy season. You could envision how soaked she would be, dedicatedly planting trees in the rain. Yes, not dancing, but planting trees in the rain. Mom was a devoted and loving wife. She stood by Dad through the political journey. She was a politician's wife, but wore the heart of a politician herself, touching so many lives of Kipipirians through her numerous projects there. She was an avid golfer who dearly loved the sport, serving in various capacities in the golfing fraternity. Together with Dad, she introduced me to the game of golf as a junior member, and as I picked up the sport, Mom generously donated her cherished golf set. As you all know, that is a sentiment golfers hold dear. She ensured I practiced, got my handicap, and by the time I transitioned to full membership, I clinched the coveted Lady Captain's prize under the tenure of the then Lady Captain, Terry Obath.
Our family holidays became synonymous with golf, with the majority of our time spent on the course as a dynamic 3-ball, evolving into a 4-ball, with my husband Ron joining after our marriage. We were finally made up. We would have our mini family competitions, and based on handicaps, I would partner with Dad and Mom with my husband. Dad and I sometimes would win, and she would encourage my husband, saying, "My son, leave them to win this. They will feel nice. Tomorrow is another day to Tawa Charaza." And we would all end up laughing and cracking jokes against each other. Mom was always smiling and laughing and radiated joy. Her love for dancing was infectious. Whenever her favorite songs played, she would grab my hand and say, "Oka tokaine, don't be lazy." We would dance until we were almost the last ones standing. I will truly miss these moments. She had little interest in material possessions, finding contentment in simple life. She never ever wanted to spend Dad's money, besides on one occasion when I persuaded her to do so. She had initially proposed that I go for further studies abroad, a suggestion I declined, reluctant to live alone in a distant country. However, I expressed my willingness to explore the world and create memories now that I was older. Our joint decision led to the implementation of Operation Travel the World and Shop Till We Drop, resulting in memorable travels. During these trips, Dad would provide us with cash for shopping, and after 2 to 3 hours of retail therapy, we would regroup at a predetermined spot. To my surprise, she often returned with just 1 or 2 items, while I would return with hands full of shopping bags. Playfully questioning her of her choices, I would ask,